Today we are going to be making puppets. I am Miss Maria and this is
Ruben.
Hi Ruben. So for this project, what are we going to be using? We got scissors. We're using a glue stick if you want to add like extra parts, but you don't have to. And we're using oil pastels and different colored paper. I have this one made. It's just the oil pastels and paper. I'm gonna make a different one. I think I am going to be making, I don't know, what do you think?
Cool.
Okay. I'm gonna color it green again. I really like the green on the brown. And with the oil pastels, it is going to be super bright. So whatever color you use, it's gonna stand out against this brown paper bag. So I just colored the whole thing. And you can use other materials like markers or color pencils or pens. All of that looks really cool. And these bags, if you don't have a paper bag, I got this one from my CPS lunch, or his CPS lunch. They give us our lunch in a brown paper bag, so we saved it, and that's what we're using today. And it doesn't have to be a monster. It could be a person.
Or a monster.
Yeah, or a monster. It could be a monster. Or you could make a superhero. Give it a cape, attach it to the back, just got a big triangle and put it on his back, and it looks like he's wearing a cape. So there's a lot of ways you can go with this. Oil pastels are really good for blending different colors. I'm going to use a different green now.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, what color are you going to use? Oh, it's a mystery color?
A mystery color.
Let's see here.
A mystery
I'm going to add a nose.
Oh, look at the mystery.
This is where his eyes are going to go. I'm going to do separate eyes though, but I want to know where they're going to go. Give him some wrinkles because I think this is starting to look like Master Yoda.
Hey, wow.
What do you think?
Not cool.
It's not cool? I think he looks cool. Hold on. And for the eyes, you just cut out some circles.
Some two turtles.
Oh, we found some turtles. They were being eaten by a bird, but we rescued them. So I cut out this shape. It's kind of like the same shape as the eye, almost like an oval or a leaf shape if you must. And I think it's a good size. I'm gonna trace it, and it doesn't matter what color you use, just trace it so that the other ear is about the same size. And then I'm going to cut it out, and then I'm also going to give Yoda a jacket, and I'm going to kind of measure. I don't want to cover up his whole green body because I took a lot of time with that, so I'm going to kind of scoot the bag over to where it's good for the jacket. And this is going to be super long on this side, so I'm going to cut off part of it because I don't want it to be too long. And you can use a ruler if you want to, but I'm just gonna go kind of where I think it's right, and then I'm gonna add some glue. Are you gonna add anything else? You're gonna give your monster some horns?
Some horns?
Yeah, a horn. Maybe he's a unicorn monster?
A unicorn monster?
And then I'm just gonna glue it down.
No.
And now he has a jacket. Let's cut out this other ear, and then we can glue down the ears and the eyes. And then I think we'll be done. Maybe we can make a lightsaber for Master Yoda.
It's a lightsaber.
Yeah.
And
And I'm gonna glue them onto the back of the bag. Ruben, you wanna help me make a lightsaber for Master Yoda?
Yes. I think.
What color is his lightsaber? Do you wanna use this green?
No, I want to do this green.
And if you wanna give him arms, because this one doesn't have arms, you just kinda cut with the same color as the jacket, some rectangles.
Yeah, there you go. That's lightsaber.
Okay. And you can give him arms.
Now we're gonna add my cream.
All right, you wanna show us your puppet, Ruben?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. What have you got here?
My
You wanna show us the front and the back of your puppet?
the front and the back.
And he has a teeny tiny tail, right?
Yeah, the teeny tiny tail.
What's your puppet's name?
Ruben. My name is Ruben.
Hi, Puppet Ruben. Let's say bye to all of Sky Art.
Bye. Bye, guys,
Bye,
viewers.
Sky Art viewers.